Welcome to this quick guide on marking all chats as unread on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you're catching up on messages and want to flag conversations without opening them, this method keeps everything neatly in view. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and log in if you're not already connected. Once you're in, look near the top of the chat list for the search bar. Right under that bar, you'll see an All button. Click that All button to display your entire chat history in one place, making it easy to select multiple conversations at once. Next, head to the top of the page and click on the three dots. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options. From there, choose Select Chat. Your chats will begin to show selection markers and you can start picking them. To mark everything at once, select all the chats that appear on the screen or scroll to load more and keep selecting until you've covered your desired range. With the chat selected, look again to the top area where you'll find another set of three dots next to the selected number. Click these three dots to reveal more actions. From the list, choose Mark as Unread. This action flags the chosen conversations as unread, making them stand out in your chat list and letting you know there's a message you still intend to check. If you want to adjust later, you can repeat the steps and unmark any chats by opening a conversation and marking it as read, or reselecting and applying mark as unread again as needed. This feature is particularly handy for prioritizing messages or where you want to maintain a clean inbox without losing track of important threads. A quick tip: if you use WhatsApp on multiple devices, the unread status syncing works across all of them, so you'll see the same markers whether you're on your PC or phone. Remember to regularly review your unread flags to stay on top of conversations that matter most. That's all there is to it. You now have a clean, efficient way to manage your chats on WhatsApp web with a simple mark as unread workflow. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more practical WhatsApp tips.